Hello everyone. In this video, we try to explore temperature sensor and RGB LED using Tinkercad. Log into your Tinkercad account and click circuits. Here, click create new circuit. Now here is the workspace. First, give a name to your circuit. So I give it as temperature monitoring of patients. First thing you need is an Arduino board, a small breadboard, a temperature sensor. For output we can use LED or RGB LED. We choose an RGB LED. Here we have a cathode and 3 colors available. Next we use resistors to limit the supply to the LED. If not, the LED may burn out. Now connect the sensor to the supply and ground. So here we take the supply and connect it with the breadboard positive. Similarly, we take the ground and connect it to the negative of the breadboard. Give appropriate colors so that it will be easy to understand. Connect the power terminal to the positive and ground terminal to the ground. Now take this Vout pin and connect to any of the analog input pins. We have connected it to A1. Next, connect the cathode pin of the RGB LED to ground. The other 3 color terminals are connected to digital PWM pin of the Arduino board. Here we are connecting to 11th pin, 10th pin and 9th pin accordingly. Now let's work on the coding. So we can just use the blocks here because it will be easy for us. It is up to you to work on codes also. So by default this will be present. You can delete it. First we can give the title. I give it as patient monitoring. Next I give a comment stating it as temperature monitoring. First create a variable. I give it a name as temperature. So it helps you to store the data from the sensor. Now set the value for the variable. The value is from the temperature sensor which is connected to the analog A1 pin. So I set it here. So it is A1. So we connect it as A1 and either we can keep it in Fahrenheit or Celsius. I keep it in Celsius itself. Now we can use control to set different conditions. As we have 3 different colors here, we can set up to 3 conditions. So I choose 3 if conditions. We can use mathematical computations to process it further. So I choose this. So this can be the variable. So we set the temperature for 3 different values. Now we can set the output in RGB pins. So choose the output to set the RGB pins. So by looking into a circuit, we know that the RGB pins are connected to 11, 10 and 9. So it is 11, 10 and 9. Similarly change it for all the RGB output. Now set the values for the temperature. We know that if the temperature of a person is below 36 degrees Celsius, it means he has no fever. So we set it in 1 color. Now if the temperature is above 36 degrees Celsius, it means he has fever. If it is above 38 degrees Celsius, it means he has severe fever. So from 36 to 38 it is said to be the alert range. So we give it in 1 color. and above 38 degrees Celsius is severe fever. We put it in red color. So we give three different colors. One is a person having no fever. The other is the alert range, that he has mild fever. The final one is he has heavy fever. So this is about the coding part. So we'll start simulating now. So start simulation. So see here. So we have blue color till the temperature is below 36. From 36 to 38 it shows green color, and above 38 it shows red color. Right? So this is how we can monitor the temperature of a patient. So below 36 it is blue in color. From 36 to 38 it shows green color. Above 38 it shows red color. So today we have tried to explore the temperature sensor and the RGB LED, where we try to monitor the health of a patient in terms of fever. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends.